Ooh, I like that.
This is actually shocking.
Like, oh, that's good.
It's amazing, guys.
It's just amazing.
I love this.
There you go.
Wow.
Dave, I'm really loving this tool. You guys are doing something amazing.
The output there is dope. Like that's awesome. Yeah, this is like I like that. So...
I'm sure it's going to be huge.
Wow. Okay. This is
Yeah, what do you think?
impressive. This is so impressive.
Pretty damn good.
Oh, I love it.
I love it. I love it.
I'm in love.
This is crazy simple.
This is better than Clubhouse.
Holy crap.
This is gonna disrupt the copywriting industry.